welcome to another Delfin Industrial video. I'm Dave, Business Development Manager here at Delfin Industrial, and we're going to show you today interesting and probably unexpected ways to use our vacuums with your own 55-gallon drums you may use in your facilities. If you already have an Delfin Industrial vac and you want to increase your capacity, then a pre-separator is probably what you need to do. In some cases, you want a less expensive, compact solution. In that case, maybe a 55-gallon metal drum is a very good option for you to use. We're increasing the collection capacity, but what we're wanting to do is really increase the life of your filters and of your motors. In other words, we want that pre-separator to be in there to increase the life of your vac. Now, we're going to start showing you all the options to turn your 55-gallon drum into that separator. So what we're going to do now is look at our very first option here, which is the drum adapter separator. That separator is taking two 80mm inlets, the one for the vac hose, and this one's for the recovery for the hose itself and the tools and accessories that would go into the collecting the debris that'll fall into the 55-gallon drum itself. With that, we can remove after it's been collected. You want to dispose of it. The lid here, fairly light itself. You can look in there, see how much is filled. Then you dispose of your product or debris as however you wish in your facility. I talked earlier about the drum adapter separator cover, and that's generally for normal debris. Sometimes we're going to run into our facilities a much more heavier and abrasive, and what we don't want is to damage the cover on our separator. So what we want to do is change out over to our pre-separator cyclone cover. Which has many of the same specifications, 80mm inlets, one for the vac hose, the other for our hose and tool accessories. But with this, the difference is now you have a tangential inlet. It's now going to draw the debris in, as abrasive as it may be, take it into the cyclone area itself. It'll start that spinning motion inside, and then that'll slow down the abrasiveness that may occur inside of the head itself, and that debris will then drop down into our 55-gallon drum. With the drum adapter separator cover, one of the best options is taking it from being just a separator. We can now turn it into a vacuum, and by just removing the cover itself. Simply remove the cover. And now it can be replaced with a 3-motor vacuum head. We have the 1, 2, and 3 motor options on this vacuum head, and it can even have an option of a compressed air vacuum head if we wanted to go to that direction there. So here I can turn it on and still have the ability to do any of our general maintenance cleaning. I just want to summarize about the pre-separator that we've been discussing today. The big advantages in what we're doing is we're increasing collection capacity. We're going to a 55-gallon drum versus maybe a 26-gallon or whatever size capacity your current vacuum system has. We're going to be protecting the filters that are in your vacuum system there. We're going to keep that debris from going in there, damaging or clogging your filters sooner than needing replaced than it necessarily needs to happen. And then we're also going to be able to protect your motors, not allowing that debris to get up into there. So what we're really seeing to do is, increase that capacity, protect and lower costs on filters and motors. What are we waiting for? Get a pre-separator added to your, vacuum system program today.